channel, glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about an important topic, which is how can we relieve the bottom outside of foot pain. Now, bottom outside foot pain can be caused by so many factors, including overuse, injury, and medical conditions such as plantar fasciitis or cuboid syndrome. I'm going to talk about strategies that can help relieve bottom outside foot pain, and also some supplements you can take alongside these strategies to help in the recovery process. First of all is rest. The first and the most important thing you need to do is to rest your foot, because this will allow it to heal. Avoid activities that can cause pain and try to limit your time on your feet. Second, we have ice. Applying ice to the affected area can really help to reduce pain and swelling. Wrap ice in a towel and apply it to the bottom outside of your foot for 15 to 20 minutes several times a day. Thirdly, we have compression. Wearing compression socks or using compression wrap can really help to relieve swelling and improve circulation to the affected area. Fourthly, we have elevation. Elevating your foot above your heart level can help to reduce swelling and improve blood flow to the affected area. Fifth, we have stretching. Stretching exercises are important because they help to improve flexibility and they also help to reduce pain. Try stretching your calf muscles, your Achilles tendon, and the bottom of your foot regularly. Sixth, we have footwear. Make sure to wear supportive, comfortable shoes that fit properly and provide adequate arch support. 7, we have massage. Massaging the bottom outside of your foot can help to reduce pain and promote healing. Use your hands or a massage ball to apply pressure to the affected area. You can also go ahead and apply some essential oils diluted with a carrier oil to help with the pain as well and to help in promoting healing. Frankincense essential oil is a wonderful oil that can be used for that. You also have a peppermint essential oil, which is great for as a pain relief and also will help to reduce inflammation when used consistently. And we also are going to talk about the importance of resting, the importance of supplements to help heal the nerves, to help heal the joints, to help with pain, such as collagen. You can also take some Boswellia capsules along with turmeric as well for the nerves and for the joints. And taking a black seed oil is a massive transformation that has happened to me in regards to foot pain since I started taking cold pressed black seed oil. You can take it in supplement form such as a little mini capsule, or you can take it straight away with using a spoon. 5 milliliters of black seed oil daily for 30 days has helped me to reduce my foot pain. If you are interested in videos such as these, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.